If you don't understand basic math, you're going to have a little bit of tough time in retirement. But I'm here to tell you that you don't really have to understand calculus, trigonometry, or quantum physics. What you do have to understand is the simple formula of savings times estimate of your future equals your income. Now, fortunes upon fortunes have been lost by those that don't understand this simple formula. And what this means is, to kind of put it in plain English, is that when it comes time to retirement, we take all your savings, all the money that you have, your pensions, your Social Security, and everything, and put it in this pot right here of savings. Then work with you as your financial advisor when you tell us your goals, objectives, needs, desires, and so on, and come up with an estimate of that here, and then combine those together to provide you an income stream in the future. Okay? But what we must understand is that the amount of money that we have here must be able to provide you that income stream for the rest of your life. Now, what happens is that I think over time, there has been a disconnect about how much is that money worth? How much can it provide? The terms thousands, millions, billions, and trillions has been thrown out there so much that I see all the time that people, even that have a few hundred thousand to even a few million, have a disconnect and don't really understand how much money is that and how much can it provide. And I'm here to tell you that even $1 million, you can dwindle and spend it away very, very easily. So what I hear often is when people are going to retire is what they want to do, their goals, their objectives, what they want to buy, and they want to travel here and give money here and give my kids money and my grandkids money and do all these great and beautiful things. And that's fine because it's your retirement and it's a great phase of your life and you need to make retirement great. The problem that happens is when your goals and objectives get too expensive, the income that you generate here might not be able to be sustained by the amount of money that's here. Okay? And what happens is if your goals get too expensive, you start draining this here, and therefore it affects this here. So at all times during retirement, you have to understand that the amount of money you have is the amount of money you have. Okay? And during all times, we have to have not only appropriate assumptions, but a realistic concept about the amount of money we actually have and the amount of money that we actually need to sustain that income. All right? Retirement math is simple, and you have to understand that 2 plus 2 will always equal 4. 2 plus 2 will never be 5. And with that, I'll see you next time on Financial QB TV.